Hello and welcome back to another Magic Cat, and today we are back with another crypto video. Yes, this topic has been mentioned from my viewers that I needed to talk about, and listen, I will talk about drip. What do I think, and what do I think you guys should take from this video? Okay, I'm not here to tell you jump on drip is bullish, this or that, because ladies and gentlemen, quite frankly, I don't know myself. Okay, but I do wanna explain why I am going to take a flyer on drip. I'm going to do a small investment of $200. Okay. Looking at the graph, ladies and gentlemen, yes, I do know that faucets are being retired, as I made a video ages ago. Okay. We're kind of reaching towards the end of that 100 days where, the number of drip being minted per day is being reduced. So for example, here 900, 1,000, this was on which day? It's slowly being reduced. Faucets are dying now, which is a great thing. And drip now is going to be, implemented as more of a utility than an inflationary token, basically, right? I'm going to assume DDD has that. And I know Kitchen Sink, which is made by the team of PulseChain. So that's great stuff, ladies and gentlemen. But ladies and gentlemen, I need to warn you guys from this fake hype. Guys, this drip, the first year and a half was a success. We peaked almost at $200 and I was there. I was making great money. Okay? But do not fall for, okay, now this is going to sound kind of weird because, you know what I mean? Do not fall for the bigger YouTubers or other YouTubers, what they're saying. Like, don't fall for this guy saying. Top reasons why for $197 drip again. You know what I mean? Oh, we are so back. Drip is breaking the news. Drip 100x, Black Cube, to be fair, I am interested in that, and I'll probably make a separate video on that, okay, because I haven't done that research on it, really, okay. Drip liquidity, locker alpha, so many alpha, this and that, 1000% APR possible right now with, oh my god, bro. These are all literally just endless clickbaits. Guys, the shocking truth behind drip pumping exposed. Wow. You know what I mean? So much alpha in such... Anyways, it's literally... Please don't fall for that, guys. This is a way where people create fake hype. You know what happened with Safe Moon? That's literally a case of that. Please don't fall for it. If you're going to be invested in drip, please have your rational mind. Leave your emotional... You know what? Matter of fact, I'm not going to lie to you guys. A matter of fact. You see this drip telegram right here? Don't even participate in it. Don't. Because the people in here, guys, they don't know better, or they're in denial, or you'll get people like this that are feeding you fake hype. Do not participate in those telegrams. Get 99 times out of 100, you won't get anything that you should know about. Okay? You will read what you want to read. Okay? So what I advise you guys to do, let's stick to the chart. Let's stick to the news. You know what I mean? Yes, I use Telegram to read sentence and stuff like Stunner Breezy. Of course, this guy made millions off of a drip. You know what I mean? And so I can keep telling yourself what you think it won't happen. I'll keep you showing what is happening. Fair enough. Okay. What do you mean by is happening? Are we talking to where? Like what's the definition of happening? This is why you need to keep it vague, stuff like that. But I do like Stunner Breezy, okay? He's not much of a shiller. I like that. But okay, this guy, the Jeter soy boys will soon have nowhere to hide. Drip can't be stopped. Minting is slowing, deflation is coming. That's true. That's a true statement. Okay, this is why I am going to take a flyer on this. How much do I have in my pocket right now? Okay, around 230. I'm going to probably invest, I don't know, $200. I actually did a simulation right here. Because honestly, the way I'm looking at it, guys, oh my god, people who are saying $197 drip, come on, get that out of your mind. Unless something crazy miraculous happens. There's just guys, do you understand what I'm saying? My investment here is, my goal is to be okay, this could pump to $1. You know what I mean? With time, when it comes officially deflationary, projects being built up on drip and stuff. Okay, yeah, I can see at $1. I can see $2. $10 is like extreme to me. Okay, but we're optimistic, but please don't even think, oh, $2 is nothing to me, I'm aiming for 197. No, that's how they keep you, and they use you as exit liquidity. Please stop, wake up. Okay, this is a solo sport. Don't think about, oh yeah, this is all community effort. Oh, let's keep buying. I got a new paycheck. Let me buy more drip so that we're going to reach there. No, 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 no. It has to be fresh capital from fresh new wallets. Okay, the goal is to get more wallets into this. Not the same wallets just dumping into this. You know what I mean? You're going to be used as exit liquidity. You're being manipulated, guys. You're being manipulated. Careful. I love Forex. Do not get me wrong. I love Forex. The guy is smart. Love his projects. You guys see me make tons of videos on it with my YouTube. And this is why I will, because I trust Forex. Of course. Drip is still doing its thing. The smart contract is not immutable. Right? He retired the faucet. Makes sense. And this is why I am going to invest. I'm going to invest $200. But it's just the people around it. You know what I mean? People feeding onto this fake hype stuff. Don't fall for it, guys. You know, you got big whales that are standing on top of you and they're using you as liquidity. Yes, wake up. Okay, so be like me. Non-emotional. Keep that to the side. Rational, data-driven. You know what I mean? Don't participate in the Telegram. Don't even look at their socials and stuff like that. No, just look at the graph and detach yourself from it. Okay? What will it really get you? You know what I mean? Like, I'm going to buy this, the $200 something, and that's it. I'm going to forget about it. Itchy. I'm going to go a month, 3 months, 4 months. I'm not going to make weekly, daily videos on drip, guys. What is there to talk about? Black Cube? Okay, video on that soon. Fair enough. DDD? No, not really. Let me know what you think of it, though. I won't participate. You know, I'll read about it, but I won't really invest in it. No, I'm too busy with other stuff. PulseChain, TitanX, you guys see the videos. I'm busy with other stuff, guys. And you guys seen the DeFi Insiders. I got other tokens that are actually making me money. You know? So yeah, I'm going to invest this. Take a flyer. Okay? Because what you call it? I'll put 2.26, that's fine. Because, what was I going to say? Let's do, because there is a 10% tax, which kind of sucks. Just realized, yeah. But it's fine. Let's do that. 5,023. Click on swap. Price accept, yeah. To be honest, it won't. I was going to say, let us buy it from here, actually. Smart chain. How much did I put on here? 0.93. 0.93. I'm going to get... that's tough. Wait 1 second. Let's see. 5,000. Can I change that to be 5,000? 941. Yeah. I'm happy with that. Okay. Swap and deposit to faucet. Of course not. Slippage. We're going to change that to 1. Set slippage. Accept that minimum received. I would like to get 5,000 because obviously the way I'm thinking of it is this: if this reached $1 per, I want to get 5K. I don't want any number. You know what I mean? I'm weird with OCD numbers. Okay, don't worry about me. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. Okay, I just wanted to be a quick video talking about drip. Yes, I'll take a flyer on it. I will. Okay. Yes, my balance is 5,000. Oh, good. I'm happy because it's above 5,000. That means that when drip goes to $1, I'll have $5,000. I'm happy. That's a great investment return. Okay, that's literally how short I'm gonna go, guys. I'm being realistic. It's done. Drip was a lesson. Drip was a success story. You know. Okay, but back to 197. Please keep that in the comments, though. I want to hear your thoughts. Are you really one of them? Are my viewers one of those people who believe it's gonna go back to $197? Come on, guys. Please don't fall for this. And I'm not gonna make those type of videos to you guys. I'm not. You guys deserve better. Someone who's honest. Because I know a lot of you guys are new. But there you go. There you have it. This is my investment, guys. I will probably DCA in the future. I don't know if I ever got more free funds. But no, I got some other stuff to invest in. But yeah, aside from that, guys, and my members, they know which other projects are literally worth more than drip. Those people know. So thank you to Tony, Mad, Anthony, Art, Mo, Digista, Dap, Vomo, Carolina, and TY Mo. I know you guys are enjoying your time being a DeFi Insider, watching my members only videos of what I'm holding for the bull run that is already making me returns right now. Okay, I'm going to end the video there. I really hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Drip, guys, come on. I love Forex. Don't get me wrong. Don't think this is a hate. It is going to become deflation. That is true. That's fact. And that's great, and I love it. This is why I'm buying. I'm now asking myself, is this true? Did we reach the true bottom? It seems like true bottom was 0.01. I bought in at 0.04. A little bit late. 4x late. It's fine. 4x, get it? 4x shark. But that's fine with me. If it dips down, which it could, could dip down. We're still minting per day. I might buy in the DCA, but I'm gonna relax. It's not gonna be my top 5% investment. No, not even. This will be in my, like, I don't know. I don't even know. This will be something insignificant where this money, this $200 that I just invested is fine to me. I can sleep at night not thinking about it for the next months. That's the whole goal. Okay, we'll see how this money is going to be to moon or to dust. Let me know what you guys think of it. Guys, I'm going to end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and take care.